The all is a circle, infinite. The all is always there, always will be. The all in the stone, the all is mathematics.
Yes.
So when you say give thanks to the all, nothing was ever made or created.
Okay.
It was changed and balanced into that form.
Okay.
And it's changed and balanced into you. And it's changed and balanced into the bird. The bird was not created. The bird was changed from the all energy into a bird.
Okay.
The bird was also changed, and the stone is changing and balancing. So when you think and you use the word creator, you start with a beginning.
Okay.
And there's no beginning to the loop. There's no beginning to God. And there's no end to God. So if there's no beginning to God and no end to God, and you are part of God, how can you be created?
Okay.
So you've been saying creator, and it has stopped your energy
Okay.
into a beginning and end. There's no beginning and end. So the all, God, is not a he. It's an almighty. Because the all is the dust. The all is in the stone. The all is in mathematics. The all is in your emotions. The all is in your thoughts. The all controls everything through change and balance. So the formula is all equal change and balance. When you're praying now, in order to get rid of all the negative energy around you, you say give thanks to the Almighty. So when you get up in the morning, if you don't say the right prayers, the leaf won't hear you. The infinite all won't hear you.
Yeah, we got the word.
Ah! So they gave you a word, say creator. So you are praying to a creator. They are your creator. So they became your God. So when you then are praying to them words, but them give you, and you now get the message to the all. So when the rain fall, every raindrop, the all innite. So when you say give thanks to the all, the rain will fall. Because the rain hear you too. And the wind hear you. And the bird hear you. And the infinite hear you. And God hear you. So if you want your prayers to be answered, you say give thanks to the all. I just don't give thanks for life, you know. Because there's something human called death.
Yeah.
So if you are give thanks for life, so what happened to what you call death? What we call ancestors.
Yeah.
So when we teach them now, my Father,
Yeah.
all of this is part of the all.
Yeah.
I am a part of the all like this stone.
Yes.
So I say, the creator will create me. I never started. I am part of energy. I'm part of you. So me not separate from you. You're having a journey, which is a brain processing of your experience. Your experience. But me and you up on the same journey, which is change and balance. You are a change and balance. I'm a change and balance. We're connected. When you feel pain, I will forward. Because we're on the same frequency of love, peace and tranquility and forgiveness like the teachers taught before us. That's why we can assemble and teach them a new message.
Nice.
That's why I'm strong. Come here, say the right words. And every time them supposedly come for me, them in the same all as me. So them can't think nothing without me, no. Because I give thanks to the all, so even them thoughts is mine. Them action, me I control them action. Come here, tell them action, no. I love whistle.
Right.
Peace and tranquility.
Yeah, man.
Righteousness is the balance. We don't deal with righteousness. We don't deal with righteousness on earth. We need the righteousness, not the infinite all. It's called balance. The bird practice righteousness, which is balance. So we don't deal with man doctrines and man words. Because they trap for your son.
Yeah, man, I that.
So every time you say I'm a creator.
So we keep on a fair
reset and that is what make one mad. Because a man of your caliber never knows say you use the wrong word when you say creator. And not no create. Can energy be created or destroyed? And if energy cannot be created or destroyed, it always was, always will be. And if energy always was and always will be, and I'm part of energy, what am I doing? Me a change and balance. Which is what fixes our system. So now when me go Goddy school over here, so, and you are govern it,
Yeah, man.
and me forward to you and say, I have to make some, not correction, but adjustments.
Yeah, man.
I have to make some changes in your mind.
Yeah, man. Right.
Because this is why you say, if you dip on Mount Zion, yes, so, and yes, so we govern, and yes, so change and balance hit Jamaica, and yes, so me emerge from another room they down there, so. But them not expect say me would have live, would have make it to 51.
Same with
So they know if we.
have that them expectation.
But you see, them now hearing this message now, them have said, in a fit them head now because we put them head in one loop.
Yeah, man.
Now when I tell them the only truth, you know, and no matter if you don't like it, you know.
Or not. Yeah, because it is.
It's
the
a gun.
truth is not a friend of like. Yeah.
So when we tell the ghetto youth, them say we are governed by the only truth, and we want you to govern yourself too. So Babylon not half balance you. So go plant your can, go plant your thing, stay out of trouble, stay out of them way. And don't say no creator. Use part of the all, activate the all.
Yeah, man.
And when you activate the all, even the bird them see you have to salute you. Because your word power say, give thanks to the all. And because the power is almighty. So when me give thanks, me say give thanks to the almighty. Especially the woman them in a night, because without them there will be no life for man. A woman in a night create life, yes. What we call create, and them form it in them belly. Life is formed, life is not created. It is formed from an infinite energy. So how can it be created when the quote-unquote creator has no beginning and end, and you're created in part of the image of the creator? That don't make no sense. You're formed, you're not created. You don't have a creator, you have a farmer. When the farmer put the fork in the ground, what am I do? He might work with the dirt. What am I do? Invisible seed? You ever see a farmer throw an invisible seed and sit and grow? Him need a seed. It have to come from somewhere for change.
Yeah.
And it was always there. The seed was always there in the infi all verse. We're not talking about universe. We're talking about all.
All, yeah.
So you see all them drunkard there? Them connected to all living everything. So if everything is connected, nothing separate.
No separate.
So now the brain what you have now, you know what your brain I do? When you're on your little road journey, you call yourself Matthew. But how can you be on a journey and me and you connected and you think that you're on the journey by yourself? So then when you think now, me pick it up. So you know, so me have to go to Manchester, I have to check somebody, you know.
Yes.
That's somebody under pressure.
Yes.
Let me see if I can help you alleviate the mind.
Yeah, man.
So the war in your mind. The war was in our mind and it was placed there. But now when you become in the loop now, not only you see clearly, you think clearly, and all the life that you are in all dimensions now have a salvation in thought. Because when you there start thinking, you connect to all the personality, all the energies that you are a part of. So if you think creator, everything, the realm around you,
Limited.
confused.
Limited
So when you say the wrong words, you put yourself in a one trap.
position.
And then when you think the right words, give thanks to the all. And the students will resist this teaching, and resistance is futile. Because the word must be correct.
Yeah.
And if the word is correct, I am correct.
Yeah, man.
And if
processes are correct. Yeah.
Then if I'm living in correction of my misinformed mind that Babylon gave me, now I'm in the loop. And now they all recognize me and say, welcome back to me.
Nice.
Because you recognize me, Rondie. When you get to give thanks to the all, I'm going to love you. I'm going to say it's a he. Because then I'll be just earthly. If it's a he, me don't live for earth, ground. You not even give a woman, the goddess, no respect. So the feminine divine is oppressed. So we've been oppressing the feminine divine. So I think that you're Matthew and me is me. Well, who is I? I'm the one that write the farm now. All equal change and balance. The book is done.
Okay.
So when them couldn't stop me from doing the book, them say, why escape what? No, I just change and balance around, quote unquote, them. Because me and them is one. Like you say, evil and good.
Yes.
Everything is the all. And how you balance it
Yeah, man.
is how you balance it. Me can't go kill, me can't go thief, me can't go worry.
Yeah.
But I'm more calm when I plant. balance it. And more when you call me and say, Ron, any support, boom. I have a message, me put it now on book, so me change and balance into book form. Because me I run around like flesh, them I say, see the boy there, see the boy there. So it will change into a different form and deliver the message as a messenger on Mount Zion.
Yeah, officially.
And then we go into the recording and send it to them and 5,000 hear it rapid and consistent and them say, Jaja, the money upon levels.
Yeah.
And this time and that time and that time. Infinitely, Father. So when me forward and give you the message,
we get it.
and you make adjustments,
Everything.
and then you sit down yourself and you make the adjustments and you send out the signal, give thanks to the all. When you send it out from your side,
I'll get it.
yeah, the antenna, you know, brother.
I get it.
So when you send out the wave, you don't have to worry.
Yeah.
Because my brethren and brethren, and we know you, will never make you hungry. We, the disciples of the all, will never make each other hungry. When the all are trod within us, and we're walking close with the all, we're never hungry, we never worry, we won't even talk about them. Them can't even fight with. Because what the teachers them, they said to them, go and ask them for food. Everything is ours when we claim it. So now my brothers know when them sisters you there and you stand up and you defend what is just infinitely. We not defend righteousness on earth. Because if we just talk about Jamaica like you said.
We just talk about earth to the rest of place. Because the rest of place are all. So that's still gone in a limited loop. That's the same way. And I have to come back out. So the message I get to all. To make sure say all in a no limitation. So who get the message and still go on in a the limited state of mind, the consequence are gonna be there because we are all good. So the correction make because that me find out Run, yeah. That me find out Me find out that corrections are being made. But some people seem to still want in at the mistake. Okay. Some still want in at the stake.
There you go. So if me not help you to make adjustment to your brain, what kind of frequency I send out when you say creator? And you part of it. So you not activate the God in you. Can you submit yourself to something you're a part of? How you going to submit to yourself to something you're a part of without activating it? It's activation without even speaking. You know have to speak to them, you know for them language, just activate what is in you that you're a part of and you'll see the changes happening, which you've been doing.
Yes.
Never get upset or worry because you have it. And once you have the all with you and we activate it, the balance will come from mankind. But this is temporary time. We hear like a snail to leave a message. Some we get it, some won't. Once we do the work and we walk like a turkey, you know, we don't care what our footprint them there. We don't care how much change round we. It is not our concern to calculate things that are happening. We don't have to calculate how much tree bark we up on the tree. We don't care if we calculate how much them grow and how much them live in a peace. Them are flesh. The unborn ones will hear us. We're living for the unborn ones, not for the living. The ones that are yet to come to this planet. So we come as messengers just to leave the message. Let the message speak and let the message heal and let the message restructure the mind. We not come for no New York Times. We not come for no hype. We not come for no we want to see change. No.
That is the thing.
The ego and the urgency. No. Yes. So yes,
it's an obstruction.
Yes, and this is why a man like me, them say, me not have no equal here because me not thinking like those that are here.
Yeah, but who give them authorization about that sentence? Authorize them about that sentence because it's a next disturbance that.
So if you're thinking as 5G and me they are 10G, why should you come talk over me? You can't even reach when me there for talk up. Hello. So then now when me write the book and them I read it, them sure we have to govern him with love, you know. But love has an opposite, which is hate. The all has no opposites. Change has no opposite. Babylon does not have no opposites. So love is for man. The stone can't fall in love with the moon. But the stone is changing and balancing, and the moon is changing and balancing. So they have a commonality, which is the God quality of change and balance. So love is for man. So when man trap man in a love and hate, so that the two worlds that we are going before, we are cycle between them. And then to them I love you, tomorrow I hate you. To them I love you, you're schizophrenic. Mankind is schizo bipolar. But if man was changing and balancing, man would be in sync with the tree, with the birds, with life, with mathematics. Man was not following the truth when them said God is only love. God is more than love. The all is change and balance that governs love. So the order we are give out, Father, in this what them call 2025, and the adjustments that I'm sharing with you is when you're forward. We want to be infinite in this infinite life because we are.
Yeah. Officially too.
We all infinite. And we all in the same loop and cycle. We just had to bring our brothers and sisters in the all consciousness quickly. So you see, when them start hear this and say, you can't run from it.
No, because you enter the auto consciousness.
Auto consciousness. One of my brethren say, him say conscious mode. Him say conscious theme thing is conscious mode. My brethren when him fire Dutch.
Yes.
Him say, Rondie, activate the conscious mode. The conscious mode is change and balance. Because that's the mode that's happening in all dimensions, even without time. Even though where there's no negative and positive change and balance, there. Because every hole, black hole, at the edge of it, there's a change and a balance for the hole happen. Even if there's no air in the hole, but something in height. Because matter is everywhere and change is everywhere constantly. So we know, as informed clarity being, we don't have information enough, we don't have knowledge enough, we can't pass wisdom. We now have what the butterfly have. We have obedience to the order.
Yeah, man.
The butterfly have an obedience to change and balance. And our obedience and everything we do when we interact with people is change and balance around them. So then now creates order for us, order for them. We still have to balance with those we call the enemy. Because if we don't coexist with them and the dogs and the beasts and train the beasts, all man can be trained like a beast. Because sometimes he's beast-like. So we just treat him like a pet. So we don't disregard him and realize he's acting beast-like. So we say, all right.
It must be tempered.
Okay. So you put a collar upon him. You know what the collar is? The consciousness. When you raise him level of consciousness, when
Yeah. In office stay steady.
what you call the wicked, when you teach him change and balance, him have to say, That's why the men in Montego Bay, when I teach them, you know, St. James and them go jail 10 times, them straighten up with change and balance, and them say, we can't move left or right without change and balance. Everything me do now, and a 10 times I go jail. And when them see me, and them stop smoking and drinking. Because if you want water, you have to work further feet. You have to take every dollar and get your zinc. You have to get the cement and build your little well. Everything is changes for balance you. You have to go to the forest and plant the thing further. Get your yam heads. Every food on earth is your responsibility to make the changes to get it for yourself. And if you don't change and balance and follow that order of reality, spirituality, what them call it or anything, you not going to balance yourself and you're going to say, people will fight you. And you will fight yourself. Because you never balance enough. You didn't make enough changes to strengthen your reality. Are your reality, you know? Are your connection? Are your movements? Are your management of time? Are your management of math? Another man no exists when you move, when you do what you do. In lands upon lands upon lands. So me now, with a message, me have to hide. That's part of the balance. So when you hide from them, what we call them, Them only see we virtually spiritual and real. So this recording when me drop on them say, Jaja. Them on their them in them house and them hear it. Yeah. But them not touch me. No garments you go touch. No walk beside. No sit down beside. No. When woman come in, you can't talk over me. Because the Almighty is speaking to me. So you know what come tell me.
What you go do?
No. Silence. I hear some forward from. And yes, so you govern now. It is not by coincidence that we have this moment.
No, time.
Okay, because we won. So when we give out the order for Jamaica, and them here, they get to youth, them hear it and say, I remember when Matthew and Rondie stand up on the mountain and them just had a sermon on the mountain, you know.
Peacefully.
These were not men calling for war. These were men calling and delivering a new order for us as mankind, because they know make we start think differently. Them take out poor Paul, trim him, and left him at the basement where he belongs. Yeah. You can't teach the wrong stuff. We're Indians, we're Africans, we're ancient. You know, see how you look.
Yeah,
your forefathers were hovering, they were meditating in the mountains, and that's why you end up here in Jamaica. With Chinese, Indian, out of many one. And the whole of all of the world come here, so come breed. So we're not just black man. We take all of them blood and put it away. And them say you're mad because you think a certain way, because the blood will run in your veins. And my veins, but we had to decipher what the blood I say from India, what the blood I say from China, what the blood I say from Africa, what the blood I say from Germany, what the blood I say. And the blood I say, me have to change and balance to balance in this body, you know. Because if me not change and balance, I go mad myself. Because 10 generations, 10 ancestors can't talk at the same time. You wait. What the Chinese man I say in my blood. What the Indian I say. That's Jamaicans. Out of many one. Wow. We are mixed like no other out there, so. That's why we're different, my father. That's why I'm different. That's why you're different.
Yes.
So then now for govern this mix up blood in a way. We are caused for war and smoke too much and alcohol and the madness of the youth them head. Me say, yo, get a headset for cover your ears. Cut your smoking, you burn up the lungs. Change and balance in everything you do. Go make more money, do whatever you have to do without hurting somebody.
Or yourself.
Or yourself.
Yeah.
For balance up yourself.
You know, that to the youth, them the self-love.
Them don't have it.
Them don't have the self-love to know that at the end of the day, taking care of yourself will eventually make you want to take care of others.
But how can they have it when them are with a creator which they're part of the all? They don't know how powerful and beautiful them is.
They are.
So how you gonna love something when you don't recognize it? So you think that you're a man and you're with a creator that is more powerful than you, but you're, you know, your madness you talk about. When you're part of the all, you're not beautiful. You know where I live. You know how full joy that you're there, so. We part of the Almighty. We are little God and walk around here, so. We're not happy. So we are alive. What would me want to take your life for? When we want to change your cycle.
I don't know how it will come.
And then me can't go change your cycle without paying a price on my cycle infinite too. So in the infinite me like a lie detector, me can't travel no more. Can me go do something wrong once me dip on earth. That's what them call sin. So they get to you, them know say, look, the eternal hell where you go put yourself in. When you go do something wrong, you go trap yourself. A self-salvation, if you know the truth. A self-salvation, brother. Every butterfly I follow the order of change and balance, because I forbid the wind with him wings energy and water when rain come. So I have to balance and I move and I do what him see around him.
Yeah, we're supposed to get done. You know, everything else in order with different from the being them and the being them. I tell you, them just need to get the thing right. And change and balance. Just change and balance. You know, from me get the word from there, you know.
From them
the
time.
Amount of change the amount of change. Because at the end of the day, these information where we have now, at the end of the day, if we never change, we would have it. How would have we? Would have the same information of not the unbalance. The unbalanced information would have still a process. You know?
Got it.
Anyhow, we never change for balance. Something would have still in the unbalanced situation them, and would have never no change to the day. So therefore, it is a major thing. The change and balance is a major thing because it is a part of the all as well.
Infinitely major. Infinitely major. It is not by coincidence them call we when we are talking about the all. CLL.
Yes.
Them call we. All we. Them a try call we.
Yeah.
Chosen to just send a message. I'm no chosen one more chosen than no butterfly or a drunkard.
True.
I am no
We are
more
all.
important. We are all connected.
Yeah, all. So once them get that, and it can't hard to understand. It can't hard to understand. Cause all, just all, you know. From you tell me get it. So warm to for them, it's like them.
But hear what it is. Sometimes me no press the gas on them
Too much.
because me take my time with them. It never come easy for me.
It never, yeah. Same way, you know. It never come easy if we get it, you know.
So we
And change
gotta
and balance.
be.
So we take time with them.
Even
yeah.
the sister
We
them
take
went
time
forward
with them,
around
you
me.
know.
Them say, Rondie, you want to change me? We can't live up to your expectation. And we
What I don't like your video
me tell you if it's silent. Me tell you if it's just silent, you know.
And just do
Me just ask if it's silent. And if you say I help you, come for help me, just come help me. No come argue with me. Cause if you go out there in the infosphere, in the art sphere, and come back here so and give you something to clear your mind. And make your mind calm down.
peacefully.
Lord massive. Eh? For my mind go to rest now and say I will never go search for nothing again. Come I have the truth. I know that mankind has the only truth. All equal change and balance. God equal change and balance. And truth equal change and balance. And we see it and we apply it. And if me hungry, I go change and balance with my foot and I go walk 10 miles go get water. And I will not argue with a man. Cause this is a man and I'm a man and we're all and give when I forward around here someone say, I say me not depend on that, you know. It's a change and balance with them call 2025. Happy New Year.
Yeah, man. Right away.
We not depend them where you depend.
Yeah.
Cause
You come up on a mission.
Mm.
And the mission of get all
See-
acknowledge
see,
say all.
you
we
say
are all. And it's so simple.
Yeah.
It's so simple, you know.
Ah.
Yeah.
So when we start off this with them car, you feel it now.
Yeah, man. We have to just take time, as I said, with them. But
Cause when me forward, you know, you then at the sports car, you press it on it.
I press it on them because where me is, me I press it because me I said then from the time the place there and them people there eat food and a drink. No, them can't get them can't get the positivity for just change and balance.
How them a go get it if them never heard it?
That is
If the teacher is not here, the student is not ready. If the student is not here, the teacher is not ready.
Yeah.
It's a loop. I don't know, teacher. It's symbiotic. Them say, when the student is ready, the teacher appear. No, when the teacher is ready, the student appear. I wanna deal with. Not the all.
Yeah, so both of ready. The both of ready, you know. Because if we two of them already, we couldn't there now.
Them say we're madman.
Alright.
But when them listen to it and them a record, listen to over and over and say, the boy them say all
Yeah, man.
equal change and balance. Them can actually show them God. They
Right,
can
Howard.
show them the all. God attack.
Right.
The living God. Not even not dead God. Do you want a God with dead? Or do you want a God that's alive? See it there? See the change and balance there? You see it? Me pick it, it a bleed.
Yeah, man.
And the man say only we bleed.
No, Carl.